Welcome everyone. Today we discuss about the chapter 1 operating system. This video for class 8th. This video for class 8. In the class 8 there is total 5 to 6 or many chapter. First chapter is operating system. Firstly we discuss about the computer. What is computer? Computer is a combination of software and hardware. Computer is a combination of software and hardware. So let me see what is software. Software is a set of program or set of instruction. Software is a set of program or set of instruction. That means group of program that is called software. Here the example of software is Microsoft Office, Paintbrush, Photoshop. These are the example of software. Now second one is hardware. Hardware is required to complete any task. The example of hardware is monitor, keyboard, mouse and CPU. These are the example of hardware. So computer is a combination of software and hardware. The software is a group of instruction or set of instruction. Example of software is Microsoft Office, Paintbrush, Photoshop. And the hardware is required to complete any task. Here the example of hardware is monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, etc. So the name of the chapter is operating system. So what is the use of operating system and what is the operating system? The operating system belonging between the hardware and software. Let me see here the software and the hardware. The communication between software and hardware provided by the operating system. Operating system is used to communicate the hardware and the software. Both are used to communicate a hardware or software. The use of the operating system. Let me see the enhanced diagram of hardware and the software between the operating system. Here these are the diagram. Here it is a hardware, it is a software. There are different type of software. This one is application software. There are different utility software, application software and system software. So this is the application software. This is the application software and hardware. The communication between software and hardware by using an operating system. Operating system is used to communication between the software and the hardware. So here user that means us. We all are the user. We use the application software to perform any task or any work. So by the operating system we can use or we can communicate with our computer system. So let me discuss about the different types of operating system. There are 3 types of operating system. Basically 3 types of operating system. What is the 3 type? The 3 type are, first one is single user single task. Second one is single user multiple task. That means multiple. Then multiple user multiple task. So let me discuss about what is single user single task. In the single user single task, only one user to perform only one task. One user perform only one task. In a single user, one user perform multiple task. Here multiple task. Then multi-user multiple task, that means multi-user, that is user to perform multiple task. Here task 1, task 2, task 3. But in an operating system, this is first user and now this is a second user to perform task 1, task 2, task 3. Here also connect this. Again new user, task 1, task 2 or task 3. This is the example of multi-user multi-task. MUMT, that means multiple user multiple task. Single user single task. Single user multiple task, that means only one user perform to multiple tasks. That means more than one task. Here single user single task, that means only one user perform only one task, not more than one task. So the example of single task is Palm operating system. Palm operating system. These are the example of single user, single task. In now this day we are not using this operating system. So the example of single user multiple task is Mac operating system. Mac, that means it is developed by Apple company. Mac operating system, this is developed by Apple company. These are the example of single user multiple task. So the example of multiple user multiple task is Windows, Linux, Unix are the example of Windows multiple user multiple task. Windows, we can commonly use the Windows operating system. These are the multiple user multiple task. It is also a single user multiple task. It is included in the both. These are the different type of operating system. Next we discuss about the again type of operating system, but based on the user interface. Type of operating system based on the user interface. By using the user interface, there are two types. User interface, the operating system in two types. The user interface, there are two types. First is CUI, next one is GUI. First one is CUI, second one is GUI. This type is based on user interface. Don't forget, this type is based on user interface. User interface. What do you understand by user interface? User interface, that means the communication between computer and human. That is a user. The user, human, that is called user, and this is a computer. This is called user interface. So user interface, first is CUI. CUI, the full form of CUI, character user interface or command line user interface. Character user interface or command line interface. Now next one, GUI. GUI, that means graphical user interface. Graphical, that means picture. Graphical, that means picture. GUI, that means graphical user interface or pictorial user interface. The example of CUI is MS-DOS. MS-DOS, that means disk operating system. Disk operating system. This is a command line argument operating system. Command line, that means by opening any file, we use a command for open a file, clicking anything, that in we can use a command to perform any task in DOS operating system. But in a GUI based Windows operating system, we do not learn any command to perform any task. Here is some example of difference between the CUI and GUI. CUI use only keyboard, that means only keyboard to type the alphabet ABCD or 1 2 3. Use only a keyboard's key, alphabets, numbers to perform any task. Suppose we want to open any file, then by using a keyboard we give the command to open that file. But in a GUI we also use a keyboard, mouse, stylus, finger. By using a mouse we can easily open any file. But in the MS-DOS CUI operating system, we does not use mouse, stylus or finger to open any file. Second one is, in the CUI it is compulsory to remember all commands. In a CUI we have to compulsory to remember all the commands. But in a GUI no need to remember any command. It is a graphical based. Graphical, that means picture based interface or picture based operating system. So let's we discuss about the exercise of the chapter 1. Here is the book of class 8th. Here the exercise. Tick the correct answer. First, which of the following is a set of program or given instruction? Set of program or given instruction, that means group of instruction. What is the group of instruction? What we made? By the group of instruction we can make a software. So the answer of this question is software. Software is the correct answer for the first question. Next we will discuss about the second question. here, which type of software help to run the other software on a computer by using operating system? If in our computer there is no operating system, that we cannot perform any task, because operating system is a medium to communication between a hardware or software. So the answer of this question is operating system. So the next one, which of the following is an interface between user and computer? Interface between user and computer? This is the user and computer, the interface between by your operating system. So the answer of this question is also again a operating system. The communication between the user and computer system, this is a operating system. Next, fourth one is the command prompt MS-DOS. MS-DOS, that means Microsoft Disk Operating System, are the example of which operating system? Now again we learn now today that is two operating systems, CUI and GUI. CUI is a command line argument and GUI graphical user interface. So command, in a command, which operating system are the example of CUI? So the MS-DOS are the example of CUI. So the answer of this question is CUI. This one is the answer, CUI. Next one, the command prompt of MS-DOS. The command prompt of MS-DOS is C. This is the basic command of MS-DOS operating system. Next we discuss about the true false. Here the first, an operating system is a type of application software. It is correct or not? No, it is not correct. The answer of this question is false, because operating system is not a type of application software, is a type of system software. It is type of system software. Next, an application software is used only for a specific purpose. Yes, it is a true. An application software used for only a specific purpose, like a paintbrush. Paintbrush is application software we can use only for painting or drawing anything. Next, Microsoft Windows is an example of multi-user operating system. Yes, it is an example of multi-user operating system. Again I am discussing here single user, multiple user or multiple tasks. So here Microsoft Window are the example of multiple user, multiple tasks. So this is also a true. Next, CUI make use of icon, button and menu. No, false, because CUI is command user interface. It doesn't use any icon, button or menu. It only use a keyboard to giving the input. The next, the Palm operating system is the example of single user operating system. Yes, it is true. Here we discuss about the Palm user. This is the single user, single task Palm operating system. These are the example of single user, single task operating system. Let's we discuss about the question answer. What is the need of operating system? Here I am written the answer of this question. Here, this is the question answer. What is the need of operating system? An operating system is an interface between user and the computer. Operating system is a interface between a user and computer. Next, give any three function performed by the operating system. There are three function performed by the operating system. What is the use of operating system? The use of first basic use of operating system to start a computer. The second use of memory management that contain the data to store a specific way. Then resource management, that means our printer, scanner, that are the resource in our computer. Next, third question is give the table showing the difference between CUI and GUI. The difference between CUI and GUI. These are the example of first we have to write the full form of CUI. Full form of CUI, character user interface. The full form of GUI is graphical user interface. Second one is CUI use keyboard to give the input. But in the GUI use keyboard, mouse, stylus and finger also. That are the way to give the input. Third one is a user need to remember all the command. This is compulsory for the CUI to remember all the command, but in GUI no need to remember any command. It user give command, that means user give anything that he want by simply clicking icon, button or screen. by simply clicking icon button or screen. Next one is the example of CUI. The example of CUI is MS-DOS, and the next one example of GUI is Microsoft Window. Microsoft Window are the example of GUI. Next question number 4. What are the advantage of GUI over the CUI? Advantage of GUI. In a GUI, easier to work on as compared to the character user interface, because by the GUI we no need to remember any command for working or opening or doing anything. But in CUI it is compulsory to remember all the command. The second, GUI is visual appearing and attractive. Visual appealing and attractive, that means it is more attractive and we can see by the picture and perform any task by seeing the picture or icons. Next one is explain the following type of operating system. First is type of operating system: single user, multiple tasks. These are in the question here. Explain the following type of operating system: single user, multiple task, single user, single task. So firstly we discuss about the single user, multiple task. Single user, they are enabled to a single user to do a several work or task at the same time. Single user matlab only one user to do a more than one task. Example, Microsoft Windows or operating system. Second, single user, single task. Only one user to perform only one task. This type of operating system manage the computer to let one user to do one task. Only one user to perform any one task. The example of Palm operating system. These are the question answer for class 8. Thank you. For the next video, for the next chapter, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you.